Welcome back to Talkpoint. Today we are looking at a story that could shape the future of technology and privacy in the United States for decades to come. The US Supreme Court has agreed to hear a landmark case that could set national rules for how government agencies use artificial intelligence in surveillance and decision making. The ruling could determine whether AI-powered systems used by policy immigration and social services comply with the constitution or cross the line into overreach. Supreme Court billing, AI code visuals, courtroom sketches. The case stems for a lawsuit filed against a federal agency accused of using an AI algorithm to flag individuals or for investigation without disclosing how the system works or allowing people to challenge its findings. Civil rights groups argue that this violates due process rights and open the door to mass surveillance without oversight. The government counters that AI tools increase efficiency and reduce bias and are already used in areas like fraud detection and public safety. Public body cameras, drones, facial recognition software. This is not just about one agency, it's about whether AI-powered decision-making will be regulated at the national level. Key issues the court will really include transparency. Should agencies be required to explain how their AI makes decisions? Accuracy. What happens when an algorithm makes a mistake that affects someone's rights? Bias. Can AI truly be neutral, or does it reflect the biases in its training data? Privacy. How much surveillance is too much when AI can track people in real time? Federal office building, databases, computer screens with AI dashboard. AI tools are already used across US government agencies. Immigration uses them to assess visa and asylum applications. Law enforcement deploys facial recognition to identify suspects. Social services have experimented with AI to flag potential child neglected cases. But critics say these systems are often black boxes. Their inner workings are hidden from the public, making it hard to hold anyone accountable when they are working. Civil rights advocates versus government attorneys. Civil rights attorneys argue that decisions affecting one's liberty or access to benefit must be explainable and challengeable. That point to excessive wire facial recognition mismatches led to warrantful arrest. Government lawyers insist that banning or over-restricting AI could slow down investigations, allow fraud to slip through, and waste taxpayers' money. They say AI is a tool and it's up to humans to oversee its use responsibly. Justice entering courtroom, media cameras outside Supreme Court. Lower courts have issued conflicting ruling on AI in government US. Some have upheld its legality, while others have said it violates constitutional protections. Some Supreme Court's decision to hear the case signals that it sees a need for a national standards rather than a patchwork of state-by-state rules. If the court rules in favor of the plaintiffs, we could see strict transparency requirements for government AI, mandatory human review before AI decisions are enforced, limits on the types of data AI system can collect and analyze. If the court sides with the government, agencies have made broad freedom to explain the AI use. Oversight would legally be left to Congress and agency policies rather than courts. Tech company headquarters protest signs about privacy, AI developers coding. Tech companies, privacy advocates, and lawmakers are all watching closely. A ruling in favor of strict oversight could shape and the AI industry, forcing companies to design more explainable and transparent system. Meanwhile, polls show Americans are divided. Many see AI as the threat to privacy, while others welcome its potential to make government services more efficient. Supreme Court and sunset AI visual overlays. The Supreme Court is said to hear oral arguments this fall, with a decision expected by mid-2026. Whatever the outcome, the case could define how AI is used and limited in American life for years to come. We will be following every development and breaking it down right here on Talkpoint. Thanks for watching, and remember, in the AI age, staying informed or is your best defense.